Hello and welcome to a very short video. I want to talk about this problem. This is a Mercedes W211. I have a 220 E-Class from 2002 until 2009. It is slow, and the problem is this thing. It's a sensor for acceleration. So I ordered this entire thing together, and to take it out you need to kit this thing. It's a plastic thing, and then with a 10 millimeters key you can screw it out, and then you need just to take the cable here out, and then you can change it. It's very easy to do, so I just wanted to show how you can do it by yourself, and you don't need to go to pay money for this. I wish you success in doing this by yourself.